Hello, my name is Piotr Vnuk. I'm a deputy editor for Labels and Label magazine. And today I'm talking with Burak Sabhaz, senior director of marketing and sustainability at Avery Dennison. He's based in Amsterdam, and we'll be chatting about the recently announced launch of a new label recycling program in Europe. Good morning, Burak. Thank you for taking time to speaking with us. Could we please start with explaining what is the AD Circular program? What are its goals, and what were the biggest challenges when working on this project?
Good morning. Actually, thanks for inviting me to this meeting. We are very excited to launch that program. Actually, it was launched last week. AD Circular is Avery Dennison's liner collection and recycling program throughout Europe. We launched it at the beginning in 8 countries, and our ambition is to expand it to the entire Europe in the coming months. The reason why we wanted to launch that program is that, in our industry, the entire industry is creating lots of, byproducts. You can also call them as waste. And we, as the leader in our industry, wanted to take a huge step forward and then create a collection program. It is not only collecting, but also recycling the liner waste. That would be our initial step forward.
Okay, fantastic. The latest filmic report shows that only 1/3 of converters in Europe is currently recycling release liner. How would you encourage them to become a part of AD Circular program?
So for us, the main goal is that we as an industry tackle this challenge. So the more waste or liner can be recycled, the better for us. If the industry players would like to use our service, we are more than happy to support and work with them. But if they would like to use other services out there, which is great. Again, our ultimate goal is to collect and recycle as much as possible. And we are also differentiating in a way that besides collecting, we would like to create a great network of recyclers so that that product is being repurposed and used once again. And our ultimate goal for liners is that we are going to recycle these products back to liners. That would be fantastic going forward.
Okay. So how converters and businesses interested? I understand it's also targeted at brand owners. How they can join the program?
Actually, it is very easy. We set up a web-based application. You can use it on your computer or even on your phones. You go and register yourself in that application, and then you choose which program you would like to use. So you can register yourself or subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months period. And depending on the liner that you generate as byproduct, and also on your storage capability, you can decide different kind of programs for picking up. For example, if you generate lots of liner, or if you have storage to store, we can come to your place once in a while and then pick truckload of goods. Or you say, I don't have the storage, or my label usage is low, then we can come and pick from you up from 3 pallets onwards this way. So there are different programs that we set up, and it is very easy and efficient system. You can track everything on this internet platform. And at the end of every year or the period, we also are going to report back through that system how much liner byproduct we collected. And also for the companies who are part of that program, they can also understand how much CO2 reduction they achieved. That is also one of the benefits of our program.
Mm-hmm. And are you going to recycle only Avery Dennison materials or any label liners?
For us, it doesn't matter whether it is Avery Dennison material or any other material. we are looking at it from industry perspective. We would like to find solutions to solve an industry-wide challenge. That's why we also introduced this product into the market. But on top of that, we are also a proud member and also founder of C-Lab, the consortium. And whatever we do is also in line with with the strategy of C-Lab going forward. We are all going to the right direction now.
Fantastic. The announcement mentioned that you're going to start with 8 European countries and then expand the program. Are there any dates set for those already?
So we first would like to go with these, 8 countries. You also asked at the beginning, what are the challenges? So we are not talking about collecting byproduct or waste. There are some compliance requirements that we also need to fulfill in different countries. That's why we wanted to go step by step. Of course, with any new setup or business or project, it might be easier to set this up in one country, but when you would like to expand that to the entire continent, then it gets complex. That's why we first wanted to start with 8 countries and then go step by step to others. And in the second half of the year, we also would like to go to a few more countries, and then we take it from there.
Fantastic. And do you know if there are any plans of expanding this program worldwide?
Actually, in different parts of the world, my colleagues are working on similar programs. In North America, we also made an announcement. There we are also cooperating with another company, which is called Roadrunner. It is mainly for the collection at the moment, and in other regions there are some initiatives going on. We wanted to take the lead here in Europe, and then we will also share our learnings with our colleagues in other regions and see where it would fit and how it would fit. Again, other regions have other requirements, other challenges linked to compliance, bringing material from one country to the other. That needs to be explored with all the details so that we can say that we have such a program worldwide or not. But work in progress, that is what I would like to say.
Great, that's a great news. Thank you very much for this interview, Burak. We appreciate the time you have given us. I personally look forward to reporting back after the program starts. And again, thank you very much for your time and good luck.
Thank you. Maybe I would like to say one last word.
Sure.
Again, byproduct or waste is becoming an important topic, not only for the companies like Avery Dennison or for the companies that we have in our industry. It is very important for all of us. We need to start from somewhere and then take bold steps. And we need to act all together. That is very important. If we act together, then we can solve everything and then leave a nice environment also for our children. And we will do our best as Avery Dennison to make that happen. Thank you for the opportunity.
Lovely. Thank you very much, Burak. It was lovely to meet you.
Thank you.